Hey folks, if you're looking for a simple comfort food meal, this is it. It's meat and potatoes. It is dirt cheap to make, and it only has a few ingredients. We're going to make some mashed potatoes and roasted chicken with gravy. This is just pure comfort food, and it is a dirt cheap meal to make if you're on a budget. There's our 4 chicken thighs. We got some kosher salt and Italian seasoning and just some olive oil, just because olive oil doesn't need a reason. First thing we're going to do is peel back some of the skin and sprinkle a little salt directly on the meat. It gets into the meat a lot better than, and that's for the spices too, if you put it directly on the meat as opposed to the skin itself. So it's worth this little extra effort. You can certainly sprinkle some olive oil on this first. It acts as a binder. I don't think it's really necessary. The only reason I really use the olive oil is so that the skin will crisp up a little bit better in the oven. Totally optional if you're watching your fat intake. Well, you probably shouldn't have the skin on it to start with, but if you do these skinless, it would still be delicious. So just a suggestion, a little bit of olive oil, just because it's good. Now, if you're on a budget or you just need to feed a whole lot of people something really good, this is definitely one way to go. So we're going to go ahead and transfer these to my roasting pan, whatever this thing's called, that I should probably throw out at this point or just sandblast it. It's been through the dishwasher 1,000 times and it still looks like I pulled it out of a junkyard. So the next tool we're going to use is a lovely thermometer that my wife got me for Christmas. It's called the Meter, and it is controlled by an app on your phone. That little black thing on the end is ceramic. The thermometer is stuck into the thickest part of the chicken, and then we're just going to open our app up here. So first thing you do is start a new bake, cook whatever you select. Poultry, in this case, select chicken thighs and poultry. They want you to get to at least 165 or 170. Chicken thighs, dark meat, I want it to get up to at least 185. So I'll just hit the arrow and then click start. And this gives me 3 indications. It gives me the internal temperature of the chicken, my target, and the ambient air. The oven's still preheating. Doesn't matter if you don't have to wait till you get up to 400 degrees with this. So there is my creative shot of roasting chicken in the oven. Hope you like it. I'll put a link in the description of this fancy thermometer. It's a little pricey, to be honest, but it makes a really nice gift. So I love it. It works a little finicky, but it works really, really well as long as you keep the base close to the thermometer. That's the only thing finicky kind of about it. So next we're going to go ahead and plate this. Some mashed potatoes, pretty simple. I admit these were actually out of a premix. Don't judge me. I just wanted a really simple meal to cook. And the gravy is just a McCormick's brown gravy mix, cup of water, the package of gravy mix. Pour it over. Gravy makes everything better. And this is an awesome comfort food meal, dirt cheap. Hope you guys enjoy it.